welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today is my vlog number 11 and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of Oreo cookies and cream cupcakes. Oreo cake. I love cookies and I love cakes, so why not combine it together? Cookies and cream cakes are so amazing. It's something about the crunch and the creaminess that just sets them apart. This cookies and cream cake is ultra moist with lots of crushed cookies mixed right in. Why choose between cookies and cakes when you can enjoy both together by making it in just 1 minute? So let's start making it. finished product. Oh my gosh. So good. It's so moist, creamy, and crunchy. So good. It's the perfect combination. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the big thumbs up and comment down below on other things you want to see. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but on the next day. Peace out.